wanted to vlog. So yeah, okay, so today's Thursday and I'm looking for I was looking for my phone, but I'm recording. I was gonna say today's Thursday, I think it's the 15th or 16th, something like that. But anyways, today is Thursday and it's actually happy hour at Starbucks 2 to 7. So I'm actually on my way to, or I'm about to go to Starbucks and order that and come back home and try and film a video, and then yeah, that's the plan. Whee! Oh my god, the drinks, guys, the drinks. That is a long line, bro. Oh my god, why am I am going out this way because there's a big dip over there. And I ain't trying to deal with that. Hey, drinks, guys, drinks! Why no cup holders? If you guys can hear my exhaust leak. Yeah, that sounds like a leak, definitely. So we're just going to try and fix that. Oh, yeah, my windows. Try and fix that this weekend. So okay, before I put everything away, I just wanted to do this Target haul. And yeah, so before I went to Chick-fil-A and my mom's house, I did stop by Target. I needed to return a pair of jeans. I just did not like the fit of them. They were like a no-go. And a funny thing is, I bought 2 pairs of jeans today and I don't like the fit of them as well. So I really tried to give them a shot, like Target jeans, that Wild Fable collection, whatever, and I just, every time it's just not working out. Although the tops, like the basic tops, I really like them, but when it comes to their jeans, it's just, I'm like in between sizes, and just the fit and the length is just, it's a no-go for me. But yeah, anyways, I'll show you the 2 jeans anyways that I bought today. This is the first pair, which it looks so cute, right? Like it has like that distress on the front, which I've been actually really liking, especially with this shade of blue of jeans. And this is only $22, but it was a no-go. Like, this is a size 2, 26 waist. This is a high, oh, I sound like I have a lisp, huh? Because I have my retainers, so excuse that. High-rise mom jeans. I think that's the reason why I just did not like the fit, is because it was mom jeans style and like mom jeans fit, and the only mom jeans fit I like that I've ever tried and I'm like in love with is Levi's, but I've always liked Levi's. Like, that's like my number one. But I do want to try out mom jeans from Abercrombie. I think they look super cute, and like the shade of the blue jeans just is like up my alley. So anyways, off topic. Yeah, so I really like the style of them, but they just did not fit, so I will be returning these. And then I did get another pair, which it was a no-go as well. It's just a plain blue jeans, but I didn't realize that they were very straight, like ankle. I like this distressed detailing at the bottom. That, I think that's the reason why I got them, because I like this distressed like detail at the bottom, but I just do not like the fit, especially with this one. I did not notice these lines right here. I know it's supposed to be like a contour or like a design or whatever, but I am actually not a fan of it. And yeah, I don't know why I got these. I think I was just really trying to give them a shot, but yeah, this was a no-go, so that's going back. And then I did buy a bunch of random stuff because I was at Target, and why not? But anyways, let's go over the food. I did get snacks. If you guys don't know, I am like obsessed with snacks. I have snacks everywhere, like on my desk, in our room, on top of our drawers, in my car. Like, I just have snacks everywhere, and I just like buying snacks every time. So yeah, I did buy King's Hawaiian rolls. I actually really like these with cream cheese, which may sound weird, but it actually tastes really good with like a side of chips. Like, that's me. Yeah, I'd be eating these in the morning for breakfast. And then I did get some Velveeta like microwavables, just because they're super easy, and in between breaks and shifts I can just pop one of these in the microwave during my break and eat it while I'm working at home. So yeah, I got that. And then I got 2 chips. I got the Lay's barbecue, which I love these with sandwiches and stuff. And then just good old Doritos Cool Ranch. Bomb. And then I think that's it for snacks. And then the rest of the stuff is just, again, just random. I did get a Gatorade. I always get a Gatorade whenever I go to Walmart or Target, just because they have them like displayed in the middle of the aisle, and it just makes me want to get one. I did get a body wash. I know we do have a body wash, but I wanted to get a new scent and try something different. This is by Caress? Yeah. Daily Silk. My mouth is running dry from my retainer. Anyways, this is in the scent Floral Oil Essence. Wait, no. White Peach and Orange Blossom. And it smells really good, actually. I know these might not fully clean your body, but they do make your skin smell good after the shower. So I usually use these as like a topper. I would just use a bar soap that actually really cleanses my body, and then use this on top to wash off and have good smelling skin. So yeah. And then I did get some woman necessities. I will be getting my period soon. I don't know. TMI, sorry. So I needed that. And then I did get a new loofah, because there's so many loofahs in our bathtub. I just don't know which one is mine, which ones are clean, and just got a new one. And then I did get a bottle of hand sanitizer. I can never find like a big ass bottle. Sorry, I said a bad word. I can't find like those big bottles that I can just use to refill smaller bottles. I might have to purchase on Amazon, but with this whole situation going on right now, it's probably sold out, because these were the only ones available at Target right now, and they are limited per person, like how much to purchase. So yeah, hand sanitizer, you need that. And then I did purchase another Tresemme. If you guys haven't watched, is it the last video or 2 videos ago, I did talk about my recent favorites, and I mentioned this in that video. I didn't realize how much I had left in that bottle, so picked up another one, and to confirm, it is only $4.99 at Target, because I wasn't sure at first. But yes, it is $4.99 only at Target, and I would recommend this if you haven't tried it yet. And then I got a deodorant, which I literally have so many deodorants. I don't know if you can see it, but I have 4 of the same deodorants right now. But that's because from Amazon they had like a 4-pack and it was cheaper that way. But I feel like that deodorant like works in the beginning and then my skin got used to it or something. Like it doesn't work as it did in the beginning. So I want to alternate 2 different deodorants, which I read some articles saying that that's actually better so that the deodorant doesn't, you know, get used to your skin and should be more effective when not used constantly or something like that. So I did purchase another deodorant. This is Outlast Sweat and Odor Secret. TMI, but I do sweat a lot and I can get really stinky sometimes if I sweat way too much, and it's disgusting. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. I don't know if I'm gonna include that in the video, but yeah, I just purchased this one. Someone on Instagram recommended it and I wanted to give it a try. And then I did get this Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Detangler and Air Dry. It's just basically a detangling spray, and this is how the bottle looks like. I was planning on using this on my hair extensions because I noticed the last time I wore them out, they were like really tangled at the bottom, but then again they were super long. I think they were like 24-inch or 22-inch, so it was so easy to be tangled, so I just wanted to buy a detangling spray to solve that. And then lastly, I purchased this Garnier Fructis pack. This is, sorry, my nose is itchy, a shampoo and conditioner. This is the Grow Strong collection. I was looking on the internet to see what shampoo and conditioner is good to, I guess, not help grow your hair. It's technically trying to, what am I trying to say? I went on the internet to try and look at shampoo and conditioners recommendation on trying to grow out your hair, and basically there's really no shampoo and conditioner to actually really grow your hair out faster. The only way to make that possible or like achieve that look is to start from the scalp. I guess you have to have a really healthy scalp, and also from the scalp to the tip it has to be fully, what am I trying to say, conditioned, like not dry tips or anything, because if they're dry tips then that would just break off and it will, you know, not look like your hair is growing. It actually just looks like it's not growing. But yeah, so where was I going with this? Anyways, I'm trying to grow out my hair basically, and I do not want to take no hair gummies, biotin, anything like that, just because when I intake it, my body just reacts with acne all over my face. But I know that's totally normal. It's not even acne, it's like little bumps, and every time I notice taking like those hair, skin, nail gummies type of deal, I just instantly get that reaction on my face, and I'm not a fan of that. So I was like, you know what, I have to do another way. And at first I was trying to do the argan oil, leaving in your hair for a couple hours or overnight, and honestly argan oil is so damn thick that I just can't stand it in my hair. Honestly, I've been trying to use it every night on my lashes and eyebrows just to like grow them out, make them thicker, and I hate the feeling, but I bought it for a reason and I might as well use it because it's a big ass bottle. I said a bad word again. What was I saying? Oh yeah, again, argan oil is just so damn thick. I just don't like the feeling in my hair. I did read that you can mix it with like another solution to kind of dilute it, and not make it feel as thick in your hair, so it'll be at least a little bit more comfortable. But I ain't got time for that, okay? I just want to put something in my hair and try and grow up my hair basically. But again, technically you can't really grow, like, can't put something on top of your, what am I trying to say? You can't put something in your hair to make it grow faster. You just have to start with the scalp and then the hair strands, etc. So long story short, this was one of the recommendations that I saw online, and at first I did not want to purchase this brand, because especially this one specifically, because they do contain sulfate, and I know sulfate is very drying on your scalp, and that's actually not really good for your hair. It actually can prevent the growing process of your hair and stuff, and like keeping it healthy. But I heard really good things about this, not just on that forum I saw on the internet, and I heard it smells really good, hopefully, because I couldn't test it out. It's like in a package, but this comes with the shampoo and conditioner, and hopefully it doesn't dry out my scalp, my hair, or anything. I will give it a shot and then let you guys know in a future video if I remember. But yeah, so this is technically, it says Grow Strong Fortifying Shampoo Conditioner. It's ceramide and apple extract, paraben free vegan formula for stronger, healthier hair. Yeah, but it does contain sulfate, because I did read in the back, and usually if it doesn't have sulfate, it will say sulfate free. So I will give this a try and let you guys know. And that's pretty much it from Target. I'm gonna put all this stuff away before the little boy comes, and